In this video, you'll learn how to add a neon effect to text using Adobe Photoshop. Open Photoshop. Type your text on a dark background. Use any font you like. Convert the text layer to a smart object. Double-click the layer to open blending options. Add a white color overlay. After saving it, go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and set the amount at 1 pixel. Duplicate the layer, Ctrl+J, and increase blur to 3 pixels. Repeat duplication from 4 to 5 times, increasing the amount of blur each time for smooth glow. Select all text layers and group them. Ctrl+G. Set the group's blend mode to screen. Add a gradient map adjustment layer above the group. Customize the gradient colors or use my example. Clip the gradient to the group. Layer, create clipping mask. Done. Perfect for concert flyers or social media overlays. Click the link in the description to learn more about adding neon effects using Photoshop.